quick links. Your quick links are located on your left-hand side of your screen. You can access a variety of different forms, reports, and letters that you are needing to navigate. You can also access my dashboard, the client's dashboard. If you hover over the different selections under administration, billing, client, my office, and program, it will have different options. You are able to make changes to your quick links and customize based off your needs. Those changes can be made under your name by selecting Manage Quick Links. This will allow you to delete, make changes. You can change the name or even the icon that is displayed. If any changes are made, you'll want to select Done and it will save those changes. You can copy the same one and recreate in a different quick link. If you select any of the drop downs, you are able to drag additional things into those selections. Once those selections have been made, you'll want to ensure that you select Apply. If you need any of the things that you had made changes to reset, you will select Reset. If you want to create a whole new folder that is not already in this list, you can select New Folder. Once Apply is selected, it will apply. You'll want to select Yes. And in order for you to see it displayed, you'll want to ensure you log out and re-log back in. Navigation theme. In order to make changes to your navigation theme, you'll want to select your name and select Change Navigation Theme. This then makes changes to your quick link section. It turns it into a gray color. And then your second option is the blue. So there is a total of 2 options of navigation theme. Keyboard shortcuts. For you to look for keyboard shortcuts, you'll want to select your name and select keyboard shortcuts. This will take you directly to all of the shortcuts that you can utilize with your keyboard when utilizing SmartCare. SmartCare Online Help. By selecting the question mark right next to your name, it will take you directly to the SmartCare Online Help. This is a different tool for you to be able to ask any questions that you might need answers to. You can use the search bar where you can enter any keywords or questions, and it will take you to a variety of different results. Once the search has completed, it will give you a variety of different titles that you can select and give you different result options.